Here's a quick guide on how to create a subdomain in the Plesk control panel. Access your Plesk control panel by entering your username and password. In the Websites and Domain section, select the domain where you want to create a subdomain, then click on Add Subdomain. In the subdomain name field, type the name you want for your subdomain. Plesk sets the subdomain to use a folder with the same name by default. You can change it if needed and click OK. Plesk will now create the subdomain and update the necessary configurations. You'll see a confirmation message once the subdomain creation is successful. That's it. You've successfully created a new subdomain in the Plesk control panel. You can now upload your website files or configure the subdomain as needed.